Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2022 Volvo S60 B5 Inscription in pine gray metallic with a maroon brown leather interior. This S60 is packed with features. It's got those cool Thor's hammer, active bending, full LED headlights. The fog lights are LED as well. Those sweet 18-inch Inscription wheels. This has the climate package, so you get heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back, a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. It has a panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. The advanced package gives this the 360-degree camera system, great for parking, the graphic heads-up display, and the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is the semi-autonomous drive mode. That pine gray metallic is such a dynamic color. You can see it change under different lighting circumstances. Beautiful chrome on the back, dual integrated tailpipes. B5 is replacing the T5s, so it's still a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. You'll get 247 horsepower, and this is all-wheel drive. And additionally, this has a small motor that is responsible for the ignition start-stop option, and the battery for that motor is recharged through braking and deceleration. So that's the hybrid part of this. Beautiful chrome trim. You get the upgraded Harman Kardon stereo system. The seat extension, the leg extension piece comes out here. You go through the toggle switch and you'll be able to pop that right out. And these seats are so comfortable. They hold you right in. There's a great amount of space in the back. See, the ceiling is cut out right above the passenger where their head would be. That way taller people can fit back there. And you get this super cool crystal gear shifter with the Inscription trim level. The tailored leather wrapped dashboard and linear lime deco inlays. Start this car, you'll turn it to the right. See the safety features. This is your home screen, your main screen. These 4 blocks will show up like this. And then off to the left, you'll be able to check out some of the vehicle functions, and this is customizable, so if you don't use something, you can certainly pull it out of the way and put things, where you might use them closer to the top. I always like to have the camera up at the top here. This is the 360-degree camera system, and then you choose whatever camera you'd like for a better view. But check out how crystal clear that is. And then this is also, instead of the drive mode selector being right here, there used to be a scroll wheel right here. That is right here. So you still have that option. Get you set up for champion mode. This has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And again, you can move these however you'd like. Whatever makes the most sense for you. Apple CarPlay, slide that up. Instead of the sound experience here, I can always put the messages that I might receive there instead. Just whatever you like. Climate control, heated steering, heated seats. Drop this down, and there's so many options to customize your own Swedish sanctuary. Let's get this under performance. And now that way, you'll get the red lines and the red digital driver display. Well, if you're ready for this, beautiful S60. It is stock number 22116. There's a link in the description box below for more details. You'll also find us at portlandvolvo.com. We'd love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.